My dear students, these previous year general studies question paper practice bits may be useful to you the forthcoming competitive examinations. That is 66th one. Which of the following mountains have the oldest rocks in our country? The Aravalis. Next, the territorial waters of India extends up to 12 nautical miles. Next, where is the Bandipur National Park located? Bandipur National Park is located at Karnataka. Next, who conducts the Topographical Survey of India? Topographical Survey of India. Survey of India. Next, the lowest rate of infant mortality is in. The lowest rate of infant mortality is Sweden. Next one. Which state in India has the lowest area under forests? Lowest area under forests is Haryana. Next, which of the following is an important cash crop in Punjab? Cash crop in Punjab is cotton. Next one, which sanctuary in Kerala is known for elephants? Sanctuary is well known for elephants is Periyar. Next, a city having 5 million or a large population is known as megalopolis. Next one, where are the Todas found? Where are Todas found? Tamil Nadu. Next, the AIDS control project known as AVERT, AVERT, is located in the state of Maharashtra. Next, the place selected as the venue for the 2006 Winter Olympic Games. 2006 Winter Olympic Games, Turin. Next question. The SAARC summit of 2002 was held at, Dhaka. Next question. The Life is Beautiful, the winner of the 71st Oscar for the best foreign language film is Italian language film. Next one. The next total solar eclipse can be seen in India in which year? Total solar eclipse can be seen in India according to these options that May 2009. Next, the state in which electronic voting machines were used in the entire state for the first time is Kerala. Next, the only Indian who is included in the list of top 20 Asians of the 20th century prepared by Times Magazine is Mahatma Gandhi. Next one, the Himasagar Express train runs between Jammu and Kanyakumari. Next, 2008 Olympics will be held in Beijing. Next, for which of the following is Ankaleshwar famous? Ankaleshwar is famous for oil depots. Oil depots. Next, with which of the following countries does India not have a common border? India have a not common border with Afghanistan. Next, the position of India among the rice exporting countries of the world is fourth position. Next one, where is the Jawaharlal Nehru port located? Jawaharlal Nehru port located at Mumbai. Next one, which is the largest software company in India? Largest software company in India is Tata Consultancy Services, TCS. Next, when was the last states reorganization done in India? According to the modification of this question paper, that is according to these options, that may be 2000. Next, the gave maximum resistance to the British in India. Which gave maximum resistance to the British in India? Marathas. Next one, the Hunter Commission in British India was associated with the Hunter Commission associated with Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Next one, Satya Sodaka Samaj was founded by Jyotiba Phule. Next, which was not the aim of Gokhale's Servants of India societies. Gokhale's Servants of India society, which is not the aim, that is Swadeshi and boycott of foreign goods. Next one, in which year the Muslim League adopted self-government as its main objective? Self-government as its main objective in the year 1912. Next one, the candidate proposed by Gandhiji at the Tripuri session of the Indian National Congress for its presidentship against Subhash Chandra Bose was Pattabhi Sitaramaiah. Next, Clement Attlee, the British Prime Minister, announced withdrawal of the British from India latest by June 1948. Next, the first communist journal published in India was the Socialist. Next, in the which temple in South India Shiva is worshipped as an idol of Nataraj instead of in the form of Lingam? That is Chidambaram temple. Next, in which city in India is associated with the holy name of Sangam? Sangam is associated with Allahabad. Next, the first woman chief minister of state in India was Sucheta Krupalini, the first woman chief minister.